We're back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2013. It's a JX Infiniti truck. It's all-wheel drive, third-row seater. Got the factory sunroof. Got the factory 20-inch chromes. She's loaded up, folks. Technology package on this one with blind spot monitoring, lane descent, laser-guided cruise, power rear gate, heated seats in the front, heated steering wheel. It's loaded, folks, and it's gorgeous. Check out this car. Look at the inside. This is how we got this car, folks. It's that clean. Doesn't appear to be smoked in. Mechanically sound. Backup camera with bird's eye view. Rear DVDs, entertainment package. Nice set of Michelins. We've driven this car over 100 miles. It's perfect. It runs down the road straight as an arrow. Everything works in it. And it's for sale. $995 starting down. Guaranteed credit approval. DasCleveland.com.